Legislative scholarships are a perfect example of a program created with the best of intentions and then sadly hijacked by a small band of craven lawmakers with the worst of intentions, rewarding friends and neighbors and cronies and political allies rather than deserving students in their districts. Let me be very clear about one thing. This is not about depriving needy students of educational opportunities. This is about depriving greedy lawmakers of unethical patronage opportunities. So this is a great day. The BGA spends a lot of time criticizing public officials for acting out of self-interest rather than the public interest. And so it's great to be able to stand here on this day with a group of public officials, including the governor and the sponsors, a group of officials who got it right and gave us a bit of better government. This involves a very small amount of money in the scheme of things, less than $15 million a year. But it sends a very big symbolic message that better government is indeed possible in the state of Illinois. And that's why it's a privilege and a pleasure to be standing with all these people. Thank you.
All right, well said, Randy. And I think this is better government, and I want to thank the Better Government Association for its determined, persistent efforts on this bill and other matters as well. And I really think that's what democracy is. It's not a spectator sport. It's not just done by people who are elected or who are in government. It has to be everybody in, nobody left out.